Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I use this every day, y'all. I have it up in my cabinet in my bathroom, and I pull it down each day to use my brushes and my eyeliners and things like that. So what do? I drop it from time to time. Well, I dropped it this morning, so I thought this was a good time to clean it out. So I dumped it all into a bucket. I picked everything up off the floor, and let's fill this and go through because I have some things to get rid of. So this I got in Boxycharm. I believe this was in the premium or the luxe box at one time. And then it was in the sale, it was in the Boxy shop, the drop shop. And I got it for, I wanna say about $5, and I love it. It is 3 compartments. I did take the time, since I dropped it, I did wash it. But you know, there's just some stains in here from, you know, mascara and stuff that I couldn't get out. So let's fill it. So I do have the brushes that I use regularly. I just sort of threw this all in here. I have a brush stand, mostly for that holds my eye makeup, my eye brushes. But I also, I just have a lot of brushes. So I love, these are some of the brushes that I love. This is Luxie. And this is the Carloose brush. I think we got this from Allure. Beautiful, dense, fabulous brush. I do have a couple of eye brushes in here, and I'm going to move them to my eye brush container. And this also came with the Carloose, whatever, not sure how to say it. This was a set, very nice set. So I'm putting those in there. And there may be some other brushes. I just shoved this into here, so. I have an eyelash curler. I don't know about y'all, but I never use this torture stuff. I never use it, but I usually have it in here. So I'll put it back in here. So that's what's in there so far. These other brushes, I'm not going to put in here right now. Like I said, they're gonna go in a different area. I do use this every day on my eyebrows. So this will go in here. And this one also I use often, this little spoolie, so I will put that in here as well. And I've got lots and lots of things here. All right, here is my, this needs a good washing. This is my base, I use for my base powder, and this is Laura Geller. Love it, a fabulous big fat brush. And I got this brush recently. This is a Bella Pierre. I got this from Chic Beauty Box, and I am enjoying it, so I'll put that in there also. And then I think this is the rest of my, these are the end of the brushes. I also use this brush also. This is from Millie Rose. I have a set of brushes from Millie Rose, and I just love them. I'm brushes and then a couple of face brushes. So I'm putting that in there, okay? It doesn't necessarily have to make sense. It says face, oh, I put them in the face section. Didn't really think about that. But all right, next I have, oh my goodness, I have too much stuff in here. Things that really need to come out of here. I have some eyebrow fixative that I hardly ever use, but I'll put that back in here. Oh, I found another brush. This brush we got recently. I think I got this fabulous, gorgeous, beautiful brush that I have not used really. In the Test Tube Beauty. It's stunning. It's purple. Oh, I love it. But I haven't really used it, so I should. And then I have mostly like eyeliners. Way too many eyeliners. Oh, and I'm finding another brush. This is a professional Luxie brush. It's all right. It's supposed to be, you know, professional. It doesn't feel any different than any other brush to me. Then I do like Luxie. I like Luxie a lot, and I use Luxie, and it's a great Luxie brush, but it's professional as opposed to what? Regular? I don't know. All right, so I have my mascaras. I'm trying to sort, and I may not be perfectly sorting well. So right now I am using the Complex Culture mascara. I love it. I have not had anything from Complex Culture that I do not like. I have really enjoyed their makeup. I'm also using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm also using the Huda Beauty. This is legit lashes. This is two-sided. Love it. And I hardly ever use this one, but I should more often. It's the Thrive mascara. This was a deluxe sample. This is the one that wraps around your lashes, you know. Tubing mascara. I like that one. And then this one I love as well. This is Marc Jacobs. You know, Marc Jacobs is not making makeup anymore, but I have some things from him that I just adore. So these mascaras, soon I'll have to replace them because you really shouldn't use them for more than about 3 months a piece. And then my eyeliners. I have way too many eyeliners in here. Way too many, and I don't really use a lot of them. Okay, so I have the set from iMethod, and this is really nice. This is the stamp. You know, it has the left and the right stamp, and I hardly use that, y'all. Hardly use it. But it's getting old now. And then there is the eyeliner. I don't think I've even used this eyeliner, so I'll put that in here to be used. But I'm gonna get rid of the stamp because I never use the stamp. I have the Ico. Like the little Ico is nice. It's a nice eyeliner, and it needs to go out because it's getting old. So that'll go out. I have this Diego Dalla Palma. This is a pencil. I never use it, so I'm getting rid of it. I really like this, but I never use it. I should remember it. I forget I have it. This is a cute little brush, and this is a wax for your eyebrows. So I'll keep that because maybe I'll use it. I should use it. This is Falling Apart. Mirabella Champagne eye crayon. See, it's falling out of there, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Here is another stamp. This is the iMethod stamp. This is a one where the stamp is here and then an eyeliner on the other. This is very old, and I haven't used it in a while. That needs to go out. I have this I got not too long ago. This is Medusa's Makeup Witchy Liner, and I think this is a stamp. Yeah, this is a stamp. I never have used it, except to show you probably. And this, I'm going to keep that for now. That looks like it's brown. It is sort of brown. It's not quite black. Well, I'm going to keep that. Haven't used it. This I've had for a long time also, y'all, and I never use it. This is the Tony Moly. This is an eyeliner, but it is, you know, a brush like that. It's a very nice eyeliner. I just never use it, so I will get rid of that. This Girlactic, I think this is the Smudge Erase stick. This is nice, but I forget I have it. This is to fix mistakes, so I will keep that. And here's another one of the iMethod stamps. Like there was a left and the right, so I'm getting rid of those. Getting rid of those now. This one, I just recently got Ciate Fierce Flicks. This is an eyeliner, so I'll keep that. And I do use this, but seldom. This is e.l.f., and this is beautiful. This is a purple. It's a shadow, but you can use it as a liner. It's, you know, you can do a finer line, and then you can use it as a shadow. I don't use it very often, but it's very pretty. I like the packaging. This Aurora eyeliner, I love it. It has a brown end, but it is not brown. But I use this one often, and I've had it way too long, so I need to get rid of it. But you see, it still has a lot going on to it. And it's funny because it does have a little bit of a brown to it, but it sort of dries black. But I've had it way too long. When it comes to eye things, you shouldn't have them way too long. You should be getting rid of them, and I'm bad about that. Here's another thing. This is ColourPop. It's a cream gel liner, and I never use it. It's brown. It's like a pencil. I'm getting rid of that. This Hank & Henry, I just got this, and I love it. I got this in, did I get that in? I forget what I got it, but I got it recently, and I love it. Laura Geller, this is also an eyeliner slash shadow. I love it and I use it often. It is getting old. I probably should be clearing it out, but I'm not going to yet. I just recently, probably my intention is I'm gonna get rid of the Laura Geller, and yeah, let's get rid of that Laura Geller. I've had it way too long because I am using this Tarte Quick Stick and I like this one. This is very similar, brown. See, they're very similar, so I'll get rid of the Laura Geller. It's very old. And then this other side is almost a black. Thinner liner, but that's nice, two-ended. Very nice. This one I recently received and I like it, and I forget, oh shoot, this is that one. This is Queen, where it's QV. It's a black liner and I like it a lot. I like a black liquid liner. That's what I use most often. And then this one I have had a while, but I hardly ever use it. This is Belle Beauty, and this is a green liner. And I hardly ever use it, so I'm going to keep it for now. And this also very old, y'all. Pinky Rose Jazz. This is another one of those that is, you see, it's even a bit dried out now. It's dragging, so I'm going to get rid of that. And I have this from Laura Geller. This is the waterproof eye spackle, and it's supposed to be a primer. I never ever use it, y'all. Never use it. It's an eye primer. I should use it, you know, for under the makeup. It's a primer, so why am I not using it? I never use it. I'll put it back in here because maybe I'll remember to use it. Maybe. And I also have, this is from Laura Geller also. Never use it. I use it once in a while. This is a navy blue liner, and it's similar to that Tony Moly. It's a brush, like a little nail polish brush, and it goes on very fine, very pretty navy. I'll keep that one for a while. Haven't used it, hardly used it, I should say. And oh, I have another Bella Rose brush in here, which I'll put into my other, I have a stand that holds eye brushes very nicely, so I need to put that in there. You know, I'm probably using it and then throw it in here because it's easier. And I have two left. I have the Melt, oh, this is nice. The Melt crayon. This is a Melt makeup crayon. And this is very nice, and I hardly ever use it. I need to use it more because it is, I don't know if you saw that. A crayon can tug a lot. This is so smooth. Look at that, so smooth. I need to use that. I need to use that. Note to self. And then I have this beautiful one from e.l.f. This is like a, you know, this beautiful green. It has a sharpener in the cap, if you can see that. So I hardly ever use it, but I should because it's gorgeous. Let's see. It's also very smooth when I'm very smooth. I need to use that. And it's got that cool sharpener in the cap. So that is cleaned out, looking good. I'm getting rid of all of these, so that is very good. And I'm putting some of these back to where they belong, okay? And then I have a sponge that I usually just stick right here. And there is my little kit that I use in the morning. So thanks for helping me swatch things out. Swatch and swatch things out. Y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Take care. Bye-bye.